Hey Joe fans, I'm JoeFan82 and this is an unboxing video. I just got this in from Super7 and inside are 2 of the 4 available G.I. Joe drinking glasses that Super7 has made. They have the license from Hasbro to make drinking glasses. So I ordered 2 and they are in this box. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what I got. I apologize for my audio in this video. I didn't have space to set up my microphone, so yeah, audio might not be as good in this video as it usually is. So here we go. It's got some brown paper. Over there. Okay, so when I got the box, I could hear things sliding around, and so I was a little bit worried because it's glass. I was a little bit worried that something might have gotten broken. So they are individually boxed, and so if it'll focus on there, I don't know if it will. It's a Super7 collectible pint glass, 16 ounces. There's a little mummy guy there. And drive-through drinkware. So these are, back in the day, the fast food restaurants would have glasses like this available to purchase, like Star Trek, Star Wars, animated characters, a bunch of different stuff. So I guess that's where they came with drive-through drinkware. It says on the back, it says the coolest cups for the coldest drinks. It's the clear choice. All right, and it's got the Hasbro logo there on the bottom. Just so you know, Hasbro approved. Didn't just do this on their own. Alright, so this one, so I think the artwork is supposed to be, you know, displayed here, but I guess in transit it got moved around. But this one is supposed to be Snake Eyes. So let's open it up and take a look. Got a piece of foam here on the top. If I can get it. And there's another foam piece on the bottom, keeping it in place. Oh yeah, that looks very nice. Make sure that, if you guys can see that. So this is based on the vintage version 1 artwork, and I believe the actual original artwork was not saved. So I think pretty sure this is a reproduction artwork, but it still looks close enough, right? So that's Snake Eyes, ready for action, and it's got the explosion background. Really cool, looks really nice. So that's Snake Eyes. Let's open up the other one. I got 2 out of 4. 2 out of the 4. So this one's packaged just like the rest, and this one wasn't turned the right way either. Okay, it looks like everything is intact, no cracks, no breaking. And this, my friends, is Mr. Storm Shadow. Based on his vintage version 1 outfit, version 1 artwork, explosion background. Looks really nice. And same thing as with the other one, same stuff on the back. Yeah, so it feels, you know, got some nice heft, feels sturdy. So I have several glasses like this. Let me see how these compare to those. Alright, so these are my two new G.I. Joe glasses from Super7. I'm going to put a link in the description for the Super7 website where you can find these. They're also at other stores that might sell. Just Google and you'll find other stores if you don't want to order from Super7. Prices may vary though, so you might want to look around. Check Super7 first and then check the other sites. But they are pretty cool, pretty cool. Let me know what you think about these in the comments below. And just to give you guys a heads up, my next review video, my next toy review video will be featuring two figures with two characters that you've never seen on this channel before. They are new to me, and so they will be new to you if you haven't seen them on the channel. So be sure you stay tuned for that. I'm hoping to get that done this week and maybe another live stream this weekend. We'll see. I'll let you know. I'll try to keep you posted on that. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.